What's up everyone, welcome to the house tour that you've been requesting. This is it. I know it was a long time. I moved like almost 2 months ago, but it's finally here. I'm excited to show you my new place, so let's check it out. This is the little entry area that we have. I got this little doormat that I thought was kind of cool, but I literally got this a week ago and it's already really dirty, so to be fair with you, I wouldn't recommend it, but it looked cool for like 20 minutes and then it got really dirty. So let's go upstairs. Let me show you exactly what this place looks like. First, let me show you the guest room. So this guest room is obviously not ready yet. Even though I moved in 2 months ago, what I'm gonna be doing is changing this whole place. There's gonna be a whole new house tour after it's done. I'm gonna be working with this interior designer called Nina. She's amazing. I'll leave her Instagram below so you guys can check her work out. But she's gonna redo my whole apartment. So I can't wait to show you the final version, because right now I feel like I'm just showing you an empty room, but come on in, let me show you this right now. So right here, I keep all of my, well, most of my shoes, right? I have these little things that I had in my bedroom you guys saw in my old apartment tour. So these are great. I got these at the Container Store. I think they're like $9 each. So they are, I did get them on sale. It was like $7, maybe $6 on sale each. So they're kind of expensive, but they're so cool. I think they look awesome. We'll see what the designer says, whether or not I should keep them here. They're kind of an eyesore here, I guess, but we'll see. I have a mattress for this bed that I just got, even though she's probably gonna be changing everything again, and I'll be getting a smaller bed so that we have more room in here. So this is the guest room that I have. I'm excited to have family over. I'm excited to have friends over, and I'm excited to finally be able to host people, you know, because I couldn't really do that in my 1-bedroom apartment before this. This right here is the guest bathroom, and it's great. It's actually a really good size, and to be honest with you, I've only used this bathroom maybe once or twice. I haven't even tried the shower yet, which I probably should. Make sure it's working. Don't even know yet. You got a nice bathtub. I got some products in there that I haven't used, obviously, because I haven't showered, and everything else in here. So it's a cool little bathroom. Moving into where the magic happens, the bedroom. So over here, this is where I sleep. It's my little sanctuary. It's not done yet, but you know, it's coming along. I got a nice bed. This bed is so comfortable. I'm so happy with it. I got all of my bags up here too, so I keep them from when I travel, from when I decide to go out or whatever. I have all my backpacks and bags there. Have my little Google Home system right here, so I can listen to music and listen to rain sounds or ocean sounds or white noises at night so that I can sleep properly. This dresser here I just got recently before I started working with Nina, so we'll see what she says about most of this furniture. Actually, I got before I started working with Nina, so we'll see what she says. Like, hopefully I can keep it. If not, man, this bedroom is gonna look insane when we're done, like just redesigning everything. I'm so excited because I want it to look super modern. I want it to look cool. I want it to be like my little man cave. So I'm pumped to just show you guys the second version of this house tour when everything is done. All right, let me show you guys my closet, but very little. I'm not gonna show you everything, all right, because I know you guys want a closet tour, but this is one of my closets here. Keep most of my stuff here, my colognes, some of my shoes, my jackets, some of my watches, and that's all you guys are gonna see. That's about it. I also keep some stuff in the guest closet that's full with like my suits and some shoes, as you guys saw. So I have a lot of closets, which is good because I need plenty of storage. All right, moving on up to what I think is my favorite part of this whole place, all right, because it's so open, there's so much light, and this is the living room, kitchen, dining room area. I love this. This is where I get my work done. This is where I cook. This is where I have people over to hang out. My brother's here working right now. This is William, my bro. You guys have probably seen him before, and he's just working to make sure that we post these videos for you. Yeah, I just love this area because it's so open, so nice and clean. And right now we have the old furniture from my old place, which obviously doesn't look the best here. But yeah, I can't wait to just renovate everything and just show you guys once this is done. By the way, guys, I'm running a huge giveaway for Forte right now. So if you want to enter, this is it's almost Christmas time. I know you guys are super excited for the holidays. So I want to give you guys 5 of these Forte jars, all right, the 5 lucky winners. And all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and tag 2 friends in any of my latest posts. And I'm gonna pick 5 of you guys to get some Forte clay. Now, we are running out. We only have we don't have that many left, and we're gonna sell out very quickly. So whoever gets these, you guys are lucky. And also, the next order of Forte clay is only coming in like 2 to 3 months. So we're gonna be sold out for a while, unfortunately, but that's how it works. It takes a while for the manufacturer to make these products. So definitely, if you haven't bought your jar yet, definitely make sure that you do. But if you wanna try to get one for free, then just sign up for this giveaway. All you have to do, it's free. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and tag 2 friends in any of my latest posts, and I'll pick 5 of you very soon. All right, so this is my Christmas tree. I put this up Thanksgiving Day with some of my friends and family, and yeah, I really like it. It's a small tree. It came from my old apartment, but I think it does well. I'll probably get a bigger one next year since I do have more space. But I like it. I went for gold, mostly in white, and then we have some gifts here. Even have some really nice, nicely packaged and wrapped gifts. So I'm excited. It's my little bar over here where I keep some of my alcohol. When friends, I don't drink that much, but when friends come over, we want to have some fun, then I have enough here to host people. And then I have my gold and silver YouTube play buttons over here. Kind of sad, they're on the floor right now. But I'm telling you, with the second video, we're gonna make this look super cool. So I'm excited to show you. I almost feel bad showing you this now because I feel like it's so undone, it's so raw. But you guys are gonna see the difference. What I want you to see is the difference from before to the next video. It's gonna be insane, I'm telling you. Now, a common theme that you're gonna find in my apartment, in my place, is candles. Candles are everywhere here. Like every room you go to, there's gonna be a different candle. I just like that vibe. I like lighting them up and just like chilling, if I'm watching something, even if I'm getting work done, I like that scent. I like the smell. It just smells homey, it smells nice. So it's candles everywhere you go here. Oh, something else that's pretty much everywhere in my place too is I use Google Home, so I have that ecosystem. If you have Alexa, whatever, it works pretty well. I like it that I have it in my bedroom, I have it in my kitchen, in my living room, in the guest room. So it's pretty much music everywhere you go in the house. Once I say play this, it's just everywhere. So it's really good. I think the biggest upgrade I got from this place was the kitchen. This kitchen is insane. Now, do I know how to cook? No. But does it look good? Yes. So there's that. I am learning how to cook, all right? I'm trying new things out. So I bought a bunch of ingredients, trying this thing out, you know what I mean? Like, I know it's not a lot for some of you, but it's definitely a lot for me. Also, something that I know you guys are gonna ask, because I know you saw this, supplements and what supplements I take. So I keep it very simple. I know there's a lot in here, but I honestly only take this pre-workout here, which doesn't make me tingle. It's not too strong, so I like this. I take this vegan protein here, all right, twice a day usually, and then I take some of these here. This is just basically dietary supplement, just multivitamins for men. And then sometimes I take Saison, and I've had this thing for probably like 3 months, so I definitely don't take it a lot. But this is good when you do legs, when you're trying to grow your muscles. I like Saison a lot. That's pretty much it, besides some collagen pills and glutamine pill and fish oil pill. And then on this side, the savior coffee machine. I probably have two, maybe 3 coffees a day to keep me going. Been super busy now, especially with the holidays, so this really helps. I have this Ninja where I make all of my protein shakes in. This thing is a beast. I've had this probably like for 2 years now. It's been beat up, but you know what? It works, man. It's really good. And then these new appliances, I haven't really used them. They just look cool for now. All right, let me show you a little bit of my fridge. There's a lot of food. Look at that. There's a lot of food. So and champagne, just because. But mostly Gatorade Zero, man. I love Gatorade Zero. I drink so many Gatorade Zeros a day. Probably not that good for you, but I love it. And then I get meals delivered as well from Core Meal Preps here in LA. They're great. If you guys are looking for pre-made meals to make your life easier so that you don't have to cook. Moving away from the kitchen now, we have this little hallway where I have a huge wine cooler that right now is off and I don't use. There's no wine in there just because I don't drink that much wine. So it came with the place. It looks cool. At some point, maybe I'll have a little wine collection. But the coolest part about this little hallway is this right here. This is an elevator. No, it's not an elevator for humans. And no, it's not for dogs. It's just for groceries. And this goes all the way down my garage. So you can just open this and then put, groceries in there, and it comes all the way up to the top floor, which is awesome. But at some point, maybe my next house will have a real elevator. That would be nice. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite part about my place, if any. Hopefully you liked it. And of course, don't forget to enter the giveaway. All right, follow me on Instagram. It's @AlexCosta. The link is below in the description. And tag 2 friends in any of my latest posts to make sure that you guys enter the giveaway. It's free, and I'll be giving away 5 Forte jars to the winners. And that's gonna be it. I cannot wait to show you guys though the new house tour, the V2 of this. Once it's all designed professionally, it's gonna look completely different. I'm gonna get a fireplace. Like, trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss the next video. This is just a little taste. All right, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.